They're the tunes you've probably heard once or twice, but never quite like this.
BtN, it's TG Lurgan, and we love singing our favourite songs as Lurgan.
Yep, singing along to these guys' covers might be a little trickier than usual because they're singing them all in Irish Gaelic.
Gaelic is Ireland's own Indigenous language and has been spoken on this island for thousands and thousands of years. It's far and away the most important component of our rich cultural heritage. There's a great tradition in Ireland where teenagers go on a 3-week summer camp to the Gaeltacht. This is an Irish language speaking area, to socialise with other teens from around the country while also honing in on their Irish language skills.
Irish Gaelic, or just Irish as they call it, is the first official language of the Republic of Ireland. You see, up until the 18th century, it was the main language spoken throughout the country. But over time, English took over and Irish started to die out. These days, it's not spoken in many areas. And while lots of students still learn it at school, they mostly speak English as their first language. Lots of people are worried that if something isn't done now to save it, the language could be lost for good. That's where these guys come in. They're part of a special summer school program in the Galway Gaeltacht, one of the last places in Ireland where Irish is still spoken as a first language.
I am bilingual, but I am more comfortable in the Irish language. Everybody that I know speak Irish, so I speak Irish probably 80% of the time.
The program is all about taking famous songs and translating them into Irish. They then make their own music videos and upload them onto YouTube, where they've racked up millions of views.
Each year we get more and more ambitious on trying to make them better and bigger.
It's such a great feeling to see the videos being so popular on YouTube because we work so hard on them during the 3 weeks, and to see such a good reaction from the public just makes everyone feel so great about it.
It's Misha Diego Lopez Clark. I speak English, Irish, Spanish, and I'm learning German. I love language and I think all language complement each other. I'm half Spanish, so it kind of had to be me who sang the Spanish rap. I was the first person to sing non-Irish lyrics on TG Lurgan. I think it went down well. It was amazing. The atmosphere when you got onto the stage and you had everyone, like everywhere. There was not a place in the tent where there wasn't someone cheering or something.
These guys reckon making Irish more popular is really important, and they're hoping that their videos will encourage those with Irish blood in their veins to start using the language once again.
It's a great opportunity for teenagers to socialise with teenagers from around the country while also engaging with the Irish language.
I think these music videos really encourage other young people to speak in Irish, because my sister herself struggles a lot with the spoken language, and when she sees me and my brothers in these videos, and she just takes it upon herself to learn them and then asks me like what these different words mean, and then it just has her kind of know the language herself then.
My name is Shannon. I love music. I've seen videos from Lurgan that they had put together, and that really encouraged me to go there, and when I got the opportunity to sing hello in Irish, I went for it straight away, and to be honest I really loved it, enjoyed every second of it.
These guys say they're proud to be doing their part to help this historical language live on.